Hello everybody, this is Matt Daddy here and you are watching my tutorial channel which is Math is Easy. So in this video, we are gonna talk about the basics of trigonometry for right angle triangles, and this video is useful for those who are beginners or those who are preparing for some competitive exams and want to brush up their knowledge. In this lesson, you will learn how to write the trigonometric ratio, sine, cosine, tangent for the right triangles, and also you will learn how to use trigonometric ratios to find unknown angles or side measurement. So now let's talk about the terminology. Here is a triangle, right angle triangle A, B, C, in which angle A has a 90-degree angle. So first terminology is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is a side of a triangle across from the right angle. Again, side of a triangle across from the right angle. Second is adjacent leg. Adjacent means beside. So the adjacent leg is the leg of a triangle which is next to or beside the angle which we need to find. The leg which is beside the angle which we need to find. The third is opposite leg. It is a leg which is across from the angle which we need to find. Opposite leg is a leg which is across from the angle which we need to find. So now we will talk about the ratios. The ratios are sine, cosine, tangent. So these are the principal ratios between the different pairs of the side of the right angle triangle. We can also write the sine, cosine and tangent as a sine, cos and tan. Okay, so here we have three different right triangles with ABC and we have angle at B point. So the sine B is equal to opposite leg divided by hypotenuse, or you can say opposite leg over hypotenuse, which is AC over BC. Second is cos B, which is adjacent leg divided by hypotenuse, or adjacent leg over hypotenuse, which is AB by BC. Tan B is equal to opposite leg over adjacent leg, or opposite leg divided by adjacent leg, which is AC over AB. So many times there happens that we get confused about the ratios, then how to remember them. So here's a trick which is called the math hack. So what we call is SOH-CAH-TOA, which is SOH, so CAH-TOA. So SO stands for sine B equals opposite over hypotenuse. CHA means cos B equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And the last, TOA, tan B equals opposite over adjacent. So now just take an example so we can understand how to use this formula, what is sine, cos and tan. So here is a triangle PQR, and angle P has a 90-degree angle, Q has an angle Q, R has an angle R. The distance between P and Q is 4 units, RQ is 5 units, and PR is equal to 3 units. So now we will find first Q angle and then we will find out the ratios of R angle. So first sine Q. As you remember, SOH-CAH-TOA, sine Q is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So opposite, if you see the figure, Opposite is PR, which is 3, over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is across from the 90 degree, which is 5. So we get sine q is equals to 3 over 5, which is 0.6. So same way we will find the cos q. The cos q is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Remember that SOH-CAH-TOA trick. You can write it down and you can understand what I'm saying. So adjacent over hypotenuse is equal to 4 over 5, so which is equal to 0.8. Now the last one, tan q is equal to opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 3, over is and what is over is adjacent, which is 4, so it's equal to 0.75. Now we will find out the sine r. The sine r, same way, sine r is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is equal to 4 over 5, which is equal to 0.8. Same way, cos r is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is equal to 3 over 5 and equal to 0.6. Now I will give you 5 seconds to find out tan r. Think. Got it? Okay, it's very simple. It's opposite over adjacent, which is opposite is 4 and adjacent is 3, so it is 1.334, and you can write out 1.33 bar. That's it. We did it. Now let's take another example in which we will find out how to find out the value of angle, okay, in terms of degree. So here is a triangle ABC. A has an angle of 90 degree and distance between A and B is 8 unit. Distance between A and C is 11 unit. Okay, so now we have to find out the angle. So now you remember the SOH-CAH-TOA. So we know here if you have to find out the angle C, so across the angle C, what is the AB? It is called opposite. And what is the HAC? Is called adjacent. So if you see a SOH-CAH-TOA, you can see that tan C is equal to opposite over adjacent. So we can find out the value of tan C, which is 8 by 11, which is approximately equal to 0.727. Here are two ways to find out the value of C. First is scientific calculator. Second is the trigonometric table, which you can see on my screen also. So in trigonometry table, you will just search the tan C, what is the value of 0.27, where it comes. So here you go, you see that point at around 36 degree is equal to 0.727. That's it, you got the answer. So C angle is 36 degree. Now we will solve this with the scientific calculator. In scientific calculator, you have to click on the tan inverse button and bracket 0.727, which will come around 36 degree. That's it, you got it, you did it. Okay, so this is the overall basic review of the basics of trigonometry for right triangles. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for more updates. Also, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment on the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, math is easy.